Military divorce lawyer in San Antonio. Military deployments, base assignments and specialized benefits can complicate a split, so it's essential to understand how Texas law interacts with federal protections. Family Matters Law Firm PLLC notes that service, benefits and postings shape military divorce in ways that aren't obvious. Military divorces still fall under Texas family law, but extra layers apply. The Servicemembers Civil Relief Act allows active duty personnel to ask courts to pause proceedings, and judges can grant stays to prevent default judgments. The Uniformed Services Former Spouses Protection Act lets Texas courts treat military retirement pay as community property, dividing pensions based on how long the marriage overlapped service. To file in Texas, one spouse must live in the state for 6 months and in the county for 90 days. Being stationed at a Texas base counts as residency. When a spouse is deployed, courts permit electronic filing and video appearances so that deployments don't prevent participation. Service members can also request delays under the SCRA if duty interferes. Jurisdiction becomes complex when spouses live in different states or countries. Courts consider legal residence, deployment location and marital property. Service of process overseas may require compliance with international treaties, though spouses may waive service in uncontested cases. Property division follows community property rules. Earnings, bonuses and retirement contributions accumulated during marriage are shared. Separate property includes assets owned before marriage or received as gifts. Judges consider asset values, each spouse's finances and debt responsibility to achieve a fair division, and may account for career sacrifices or relocations due to military life. Child support follows state guidelines but includes basic pay and allowances, and enforcement through the Defense Finance and Accounting Service ensures direct payments. Changes in deployment or reassignment can justify modifications. Custody arrangements must accommodate deployments. Courts allow deployed parents to appoint a relative to exercise visitation or to pause visitation until they return. Long-distance parenting plans can include extended visits during leave and virtual visitation, and parents must petition if relocation for permanent change of station affects existing orders. Spousal maintenance isn't automatic. Courts look at the length of the marriage and service, each spouse's resources and ability to work. A spouse who sacrificed career opportunities may qualify, but decisions require a clear view of finances. Health coverage is another concern. Under the 2020 rule, a former spouse may retain TRICARE, commissary and exchange privileges if the marriage and service each lasted 20 years and overlapped fully. The 2015 rule grants 1 year of TRICARE when overlap is 15 years but no commissary privileges. If neither applies, coverage ends at divorce, but the continued health care benefit program can provide up to 36 months of coverage. Children generally remain covered until age 21 even if a parent loses TRICARE. Attorney Linda Leeser's litigation background and her commitment to military families give her insight into jurisdictional disputes, retirement benefits and child custody under deployment conditions. She uses the SCRA to protect deployed clients, ensures pensions are divided under the USFSPA and explains how disability benefits affect pension division. She also advises on the 10 out of 10 rule for direct pension payments and survivor benefit plans. An attorney skilled in these nuances helps you understand where to file, how to serve papers abroad, how to divide pensions and benefits, and how to craft parenting plans that respect deployments. The Family Matters Law Firm PLLC combines detailed knowledge of military regulations with a personal approach to guide you through each step. Choosing the right lawyer can help protect your rights and secure a stable future. Family Matters Law Firm PLLC clarifies community versus separate property, calculates child support with military pay and prepares custody plans that accommodate deployments. They address spousal maintenance and health benefits so you and your children can plan for the future. To begin, contact Family Matters Law Firm PLLC at 210-997-2914 or visit them at 926 Chulie Drive, San Antonio, Texas, 78216.